Cigarette Smoking and Air Pollution Experiment. Introduction.
Good day everyone, I am Zoe Anthony Hidalgo. Before I start, let me first introduce to you my group mates, Maria Villa Caril Bautista, Roslyn Ignacio, Ian Gabriel Tangalin, Stephen Lancison, and Roderick Vino. And today, we're excited to present our experiments entitled Cigarette Smoking and Air Pollution. Without further ado, let's dive into our findings and insights. The experiment entitled Cigarette Smoking and Air Pollution delves into the intricate relationship between tobacco smoke and the quality of the air we breathe. Cigarette smoking is a prevalent human activity with well-established health risks, and one of its significant consequences is the release of pollutants in the surrounding air. This experiment aims to explore the impact of cigarette smoke on air quality by examining specific pollutants associated with smoking. As smoking continues to be a global public health concern, understanding the extent of its influence on air pollution becomes imperative. Through careful measurement and analysis, this experiment seeks to quantify the levels of key pollutants emitted during cigarette combustion and assess their potential implications for indoor air quality. By shedding light on the link between cigarette smoking and air pollution, this research contributes valuable insight for public health initiatives and underscores the importance of addressing this environmental issue.
Objectives. Examine possible approaches to reduce the amount of air pollution brought on by cigarette smoking, taking into account technological advancements, indoor air quality control, and public health initiatives. Assess the possible health effects of breathing in smoke from cigarettes, paying particular attention to the hazards to the heart and lungs that come with extended exposure. Materials. The following are the materials that will be used for the experiment: plastic bottle, scissors, cigarette, candle, glue stick, igniter, and a piece of cotton. The plastic bottle will be the main component of the experiment. The scissors are used to create a hole in the bottle cap. The cigarette will serve as the source of combustion. The candle is utilized to heat the glue stick for affixing the cotton. The glue stick helps secure the cotton beneath the bottle cap. The igniter is used to ignite the cigarette and initiate the experiment. The piece of cotton will be positioned beneath the bottle cap to represent the lungs. Set up. Procedures. To conduct this experiment, prepare all the necessary materials: a plastic bottle, scissors, a cigarette, a candle, a glue stick, an igniter, and a piece of cotton. Begin the setup by carefully creating a hole in the bottle cap using scissors. Next, attach the cigarette to the bottle cap. Apply glue on the cigarette using the heated glue stick, then put a piece of cotton on the cigarette. Once the apparatus is constructed, proceed to the experiment. Fill the bottle with water up to approximately 7/8 of its capacity. Now, ignite the cigarette on the bottle cap using the igniter and closely observe the sequence of events as it burns. Observation.
We note that the setup operates by reducing the air pressure in the bottle as water drains while the cigarette is lit. Consequently, this enables cigarette smoke to enter the bottle as the water level decreases. Additionally, the cotton inside the bottle exposed to the smoke changes color to brown and develops a sticky residue due to cigarette soot. This mirrors how smoke affects our lungs, causing irritation and potential long-term damage due to soot. Overall, this experiment illustrates how cigarette smoking contributes to indoor air pollution by releasing harmful chemicals and particulates, underscoring the importance of maintaining clean indoor air quality and the health risks associated with smoking.
Conclusion.
After doing the experiment, it is evident that the cotton in the bottle turned into brown. It is presumed that it was caused by the cigarette, which is the main element in this study. It is similar to what happens to our lungs when we inhale it. As we know, cigarettes contain thousands of components that can severely harm our wellness, especially our respiratory system, and also contribute to air pollution. The key constituents are nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide. Nicotine is an addictive compound that causes an increase in heart rate and blood pressure by stimulating the heart. On the other hand, if we smoke, tar builds up in the lungs and is a contributing factor to emphysema and chronic bronchitis. In addition, it would increase the risk of having a lung cancer. We also intake carbon monoxide when we smoke. This ingredient would lower the ability of blood to carry oxygen. It is also released to the air, which will increase air pollution. There are many other harmful effects of smoking that when exposed frequently, it would cost our lives. We could die.
Do you know that cigarette smoking contains more than 50 carcinogens? Here's the 4 tips to quit smoking. Number 1. Behavior therapy. Change your habit. Avoid any emotion that will trigger smoking desire. Seek motivations to quit smoking. Number 2. Abrupt cessation. Stop smoking abruptly. Set a date when smoking stops and get rid of all cigarettes nearby. Number 3. Cessation drugs. Use nicotine substitutes available in various forms including nicotine chewing gums and nicotine patches. And lastly, acupuncture. It reduces smoking desire and anxiety. Distribution of tasks. References. We are the Group 11 and thank you for watching.